Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel, Keto Cooking with Ron, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, could you please like, share, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when they post the latest video like this one. Well, are you one of these morning persons where you just absolutely have to have a coffee before you talk to anybody? I guess that's the name of the topic of this short little video, no coffee, no talkie. So I'm having my favorite cup of coffee, then a Talkie blend medium roast in my Be Kind cup. Nothing tastes good like a fresh cup of coffee in the morning, guys. And today is a really great day out. I'm going to go do a mega walk today and get out there and continue to push the weight off and continue to pump out some recipes. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this short little video. The question of the day on this small video: how do you make your coffee? What is your favorite beverage? But anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill.